Alright, got a Ford Fusion here. Shifting Erractic, all type of stuff here. And what we got? We got a P0713 trans. Fluid temperature A circuit high, and P0751 shift solenoid A performance stuck off. Normally there's something wrong in this trans when that happens. Okay. So what we are looking at right now is the battery. Has some corrosion going on in here, right there. It's hard to see. Look at that. Why is that though? It's shining a certain way where you can't see it. Oh, there it is. That blue. This battery is the wrong battery. It's too tall and it's hitting up against the hood up there. We got the wrong battery up there. We're going to take this loose and we're going to look for more corrosion. Alright, let's see. You got battery corrosion. That came from the battery all the way down to the bottom. That came from the battery. So the old battery in there must have been bad, and they replaced it with a battery that don't belong because it's too high. It's hard to see that corrosion and stuff in there. There's a lot of stuff in there that's messed up. Well, I don't know what is wrong. We'll have to see. I have to see. See that plug down there?
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah, take that off. We're gonna see if something got in there. Might have got in there and did something. I don't know. All right, go ahead. Alright.
There's a vacuum and body on it.
Yeah, wait a minute, hold on. Now do it. You like what you was just doing. Okay. There it is. Okay, that's good. I got a good picture. Now where's that connector? Oh, the connector is right there. There's oil inside the connector. So that oil's on the edge of the connector, so I could feel satisfied in saying that this thing need to be taken out there. That thing need to be taken out. Okay. This is this old Ford Fusion. Okay. So there's oil coming out of the connector of this transmission. All right.